guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So let's just give a hooray for me having time to actually put together my CVS upcoming deals. So yes, I've been very good with my time management the past few days. So I was able to write up this blog post while I was in the car on the way to San Diego yesterday. So I'm really excited to be able to get this out to you guys because I know how helpful it is to know what's going on before you go into CVS. So, but before we get into that, I have a video linked below. It's my What's in My Kids Easter Basket video. That video announced the giveaway winners. So if you have not seen that video, I will have it linked below. Go and watch it and find out if you are a winner. So my CVS videos are my most viewed videos. So hopefully whoever entered the giveaway will see this and go and check the video out and see if you are a winner. So if the winners have not contacted me by, I'm gonna give 2 more days, then I'm just gonna go ahead and pick new winners because I wanna get those out to the winners because Easter is April 1st. So we're going to go ahead and get into the CVS deals of the week starting March 25th through March 31st. March 25th, Sawyer turns 2. I can't believe it. So if you guys want to say happy birthday to Sawyer, then I definitely will tell him all of his birthday wishes on his birthday. So let's jump into the deals. Okay guys, so as always, this blog post will be in the description box and there will also be a printable breakdown for you guys. So the Colgate Total Toothpaste is on sale for $3.50 and we're getting a $1 off 1 insert coupon coming in the $3.25 Smart Source. And we are also getting a $2.50 instant CVS coupon. So that makes this guy completely free. It's no extra care bucks to make it free. It's just a flat freebie. So this would be a nice item to throw into Easter baskets as well. So now that we're talking about Easter, Hershey's Easter eggs, Hershey's Easter kisses, as well as the Cadbury mini eggs. These guys are on sale 2 for $5. And we're going to get a $1 extra care buck when you buy 2. We have a $1 off 2 insert coupon from the 311 Smart Source. So that makes this guy 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. Chili's is running their gift card promo again. So when you spend $50 on a Chili's gift card, then you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. Love when this deal rolls around, especially since Chili's is like one of my favorite restaurants. Just a little side note, if you are on a low carb diet, you can get a full plate of buffalo wings for 6 carbohydrates. So that is great if you are on low carb. If you are diabetic, it is a great, great item, but the downfall is the heartburn. So anyways, Trident gum is on sale 3 for $3, and you're gonna get a $1 extra care buck back when you buy 3. So final cost is 3 for $2. Perfect timing for Easter baskets. The Starbucks bagged coffee and the K-Cups, these guys are on sale for $5.99, which is a great sale price for Starbucks bagged coffee because I think Target's price is either $8.99 or $9.99. CVS and grocery stores tend to be a little bit more expensive. And also I want to add in, whenever you're purchasing your coffees, make sure you're getting the packages with these reward stars because you can go ahead and redeem your Starbucks rewards through your Starbucks app. And I think Starbucks is running like a bingo game. So you can go ahead and, oh, hi Carolina. I see your notification right there. Anyways, I think Starbucks is doing like a bingo game, so look out to see if there are any bingo offers for bagged coffee. Next, there are some soup deals. So the Campbell's Chunky Soups, these guys are 2 for $4 on sale, and the condensed soups are 88 cents. So if you roll your extra care bucks for groceries, this is a nice price for canned soups. So the Hefty Slider Bags and Reynolds Foil, these guys are on a buy one, get one free sale. And we have insert coupons for the Hefty Slider Bags. They're $1 off on 2 from the 1-7 Red Plum. And these expire on the 31st, so there's plenty of time to use them. And then we got a Reynolds coupon for 55 cents off from the 318 Red Plum. So definitely combine those coupons for this sale. The Brita water pitcher and replacements, these guys are on sale for $17.99, and you're going to get a $5 extra care buck when you buy one, so final cost is $12.99. This time around, there's not an insert coupon to pair with it, but if you need refills, then this would be a good time to get them, because I need refills, so I'm excited about that deal. The Total Home paper products and sandwich bags and cleaners, they are on a spend 15, get 5. So you can pick out anything you want, and you can use a percentage off coupon because these guys are going to be they're not on sale. They're going to be regular price. The Sally Hansen nail polishes, these are buy two, get a $5 extra care buck. You can get the extreme nail polishes. Thanks to Lou Allen for pointing that out because I didn't even realize that. So you can go ahead and do the cheaper bottles of nail polish, which would make a great Easter basket filler. And these are going to be regular price. You can use your percentage off coupon. The Physicians Formula is on a spend 15, get $10 back in extra care bucks. If you guys watched my Get Ready With Me drugstore video, I'll have it linked below. I actually tested out quite a few Physicians Formula products. So watch that video if you want some ideas of what to get this week. I highly recommend their new Spotlight Primer as well as their Healthy Foundation. So I'll have that linked below for you guys to go and check out in case you need some recommendations on that. And then you can use your cosmetic CRTs and percentage off coupon with this guy too. But if you're doing a percentage off coupon, just use the percentage off coupon. Don't use any other coupons or extra care bucks or CRTs with it because it's gonna lower the value of the percentage off coupon. Aveeno, Neutrogena, and Rock Skincare. These guys are on a buy 30, get $10 back in extra care bucks. And we have Aveeno coupons from the 318 Red Plum. I'm not sure if those printable 3-off-1 coupons are still valid, meaning I don't know if they're expired or not. But definitely check your printed coupon stash just to double check. We have $2 off 1 coupons from the 3-4 Smart Source for Neutrogena, but I think that coupon is a limit of 1 per customer and per like day. So I think that's a limit of 1 coupon, but double check the verbiage on the coupon just to make sure. And we have a $2 cash back on Ibotta for the Neutrogena Acne Face Wash. So this guy's still valid. Hopefully the Aveeno Ibotta will reset, but it's going to expire before the sale starts. So you're not going to be able to use that coupon, or you're not going to be able to use that Ibotta rebate. And then these are going to be regular price. So you can use a percentage off coupon. If you don't have a percentage off coupon, if you saved your skincare CRTs from this past week, I know I got a 6 off 24, then definitely go ahead and use it on the skincare deal to make for an even better deal. So Wet n Wild Cosmetics are on a spend 10, get 5. And we have insert coupons coming. There's a 50 cent off of any product. There's a $2 off of the foundation. And there's also a $1 off for any eyeshadow palette. So there are a few coupons you can use. Use your cosmetic CRTs, use a percentage off coupon, but this coupon is a regional coupon. So if you know your region doesn't get Wet n Wild, hop onto Clip to Save and go ahead and order a few coupons if you know that you want this Wet n Wild deal. And I think smartsource.com usually puts printables. I think I remember Jeff from Jeff Saves with Coupons mentioning that he usually prints from smartsource.com for the Wet n Wild, but I'm not 100% sure. So we are now starting to get some sun care deals. So the CVS Sun Care is on a spend 10, get 4. You can use a percentage off coupon on this. I'm not sure if you can use a skincare CRT on sun care. You might be able to, but double check with your store. And I'm not 100% sure if sun care counts as beauty. So if you know the answer to that question, go ahead and just comment below if it does count as beauty. I might actually call CVS and ask them just to find out. If I find the answer out, I'll leave it as a pinned comment. So the soft soap hand soap is also on sale 2 for $5, and you're going to earn a $2.25 extra care buck when you buy 2. So we are also getting 75% off insert coupons from the 325 Smart Source. So go ahead and buy 2 for $5. Use 2 of the 75% off insert coupons. And then you're going to earn that $2.25 extra buck. So final cost is $1.25 for 2 or 62 cents each, which is an awesome deal. So next deal is on Neutrogena Sun Care. So they are on a spend 10, get 30. And we have $2 off of 1 insert coupons from the 3-4 Smart Source. It does not exclude Sun Care, so you can use it on this. And then if you are getting any CRTs for skincare, like I said, I don't know if you can use that on Sun Care. It might exclude it, but just check with your store. So the Mrs. Meyer's and Method cleaners, these guys are on a spend 20, get 5. So if you have a percentage off coupon, this would be a good time to get a nice discount on these products because these guys are going to be regular price. So if you have a 30% coupon, you could take 30% off, then spend up to $20, and then you get $5 back. So this would be a really great time if you're interested at all in any of the Mrs. Meyer's or Methods products. It's a great line, so I highly suggest it. So next deal is on the Garnier Whole Blends. So these guys are on sale 2 for $7. We're getting a 2 off 2 insert coupon from the 325 Red Plum, and you're gonna get a $3 extra care buck when you buy 3. So the best deal is to go ahead and just buy 4 of them for $14, and then you can use 2 of the $2 off insert coupons. Let's see if I can do fast math. So that'll drop the price down to 2 for $10, and then you're gonna get the $3 extra care bucks. So you would get 4 of them for $7. Check your Savings Star rebate app because there might be a rebate still for the whole blends. I already used mine, so it's not popping up for me anymore. And then use any CRTs you may have for shampoo. And then they're repeating Nexus again. So spend 20, get 10. We have that $5 off 1 insert coupon from the 318 Red Plum. Use that 4 off 18 hair care if you still have it. So that can make for a good deal on Nexus again. The Gliss, the Schwarzkopf's Gliss hair care, these guys are buy 1, get 1. They're buy 2 for 10. And we have buy 1, get 1 free coupons from the 311 Smart Source. That was a regional coupon. But with the coupon, you can get 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. Now the Savings Star rebate, I don't think is valid at CVS. So just check your rebate. Actually, no, it is valid at CVS. It just wasn't valid at Target. But there is a $2 Savings Star rebate. So that'll drop the price down 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. So I will have to correct that. The Dove hair care is buy 1, get 1 50% off. And when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck. And we have 3 off 2 insert coupons from the 318 Red Plum. And if you saved that 2 off 2 CVS CRT that printed from this week, hang on to it and you could use it for this deal. But I think your CRT would probably expire by Sunday. So just make sure you use the CRT before it expires. So the Crest Pro Health toothpaste and mouthwash, these guys are on sale 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you're going to get a $3 extra care buck. We have a $1 off insert coupon from the 318 Red Plum. There was also a $1 off for the mouthwash. So for the toothpaste, just buy 2 for $8. Use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons. Pay $6, and then you get $3 back in extra care bucks. So final cost is 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. Now, there are a few Crest Pro Health Ibotta rebates. So just check your store come Sunday to see if those Ibotta rebates are valid. And I'll have an Ibotta link to sign up below if you guys are not already members of Ibotta. So I'll leave that link below for you guys to sign up so you can redeem your first cash back with CVS. So the Huggies are on a spend 30, get 10. And this is on the diapers, pull-ups, and wipes. So the Huggies wipes are also on a buy 1, get 1 50% off sale. And then the Huggies and pull-ups are $9.99. So we have printable 2 off 1 coupons for the Huggies and diapers. And there's the Huggies diapers and the pull-ups. So there's printable 2 off 1s currently on coupons.com. And there's a 50-cent printable for the wipes. So I hyperlinked this link right here, which will take you straight to the coupon. We're also getting insert coupons in the $3.25 Smart Source for the same coupons that are currently on coupons.com. So if you don't want to print or you don't have a way to print, just wait until Sunday and make sure you get a newspaper because they're going to be in the Smart Source. So buy 3 packs of diapers for $29.97. Use 3 of the 2 off coupons. You can do insert coupons, printable coupons. The Huggies are always a limit of 4, so you can use 3 in one transaction. So go ahead and pay $23.97. Then you get back $10 in extra care bucks. So final cost is $4.65 each for a pack, and even lower if you have a diaper CRT. So this is a great stock up price for Huggies. So I will have this blog post linked in the description box, as well as a printable breakdown for you guys. So yay, I'm so excited I was able to get this up for you guys. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. If you are really liking these match-up videos, and I'm going to try so hard to get these up for you guys every single week. If I know these really help you out every single week, then that's going to motivate me to work on my time management even more to get this video up, because on my channel, I want to be posting what you guys want to see. So if this is something that's going to help you, then let me know. And also, I have a lot going on Saturday. So would it throw you guys off if I posted my in-store CVS in-store deal on Friday? Is it going to throw you guys off if I posted it that early? Or are you guys preferring them on Saturdays? So just let me know what you guys prefer. And I will work out my upload schedule accordingly, because I got a lot of stuff going on this weekend with Sawyer's birthday party, and I'm doing a freezer meal get-together party. So there's just a lot going on. So just let me know your guys' preference. If it's too early on Friday, then I'm not going to upload it on Friday. But if you guys would prefer on Saturday as normal, then that's what I'm going to do. So I hope everyone's having a fantastic, what is today? Tuesday. I hope everyone's having a fantastic Tuesday, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.